Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process. You can go ahead and create those viral Marlon AI videos that look so real. And sometimes it's really hard to tell, like, whether it's AI generated or not. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process. You can go ahead and create those videos very easily. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, for creating these kind of videos, the first step is you need to go ahead and create image first of all, and then basically try to motion control that image into the particular video. So if you're gonna go ahead and directly do the motion control, that's gonna mess up your generation and it won't look like too accurate. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and basically take the reference video of Marlon that is really viral nowadays. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking a screenshot of this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come inside of Gemini, simply paste my screenshot right over here. And then you're going to go ahead and provide the image that you want to go ahead and create your Marlon edit of. So it could be like, any streamer. It can be of your own image as well. If you want, you can take your own image as well. And if you want, you can like change that to Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, anyone you like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll be, like taking lazy streamer. So let's just say, I'm gonna take him and I'm just gonna copy any image of him from Google. You can find the best one that you like. So, anyone from here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy paste that image into Gemini, and then I'm gonna type in my prompt, replace the first image with the person in the second image. So the first image is of Marlon and second image is of Lacey. Okay, so keep image one background lighting, everything as it is. Just change the person in image one to image two. Keep all the characteristics of image one, just change the person with same expression and everything. So if you want this prompt, I'm gonna simply provide this down in the description so that you can copy paste that as well. And this works for everything. Okay, you just have to do one thing, copy paste the first image of Marlon and second image of could be any character like of yourself, any streamer, any footballer like of your choice. Okay, and then it's gonna go ahead and provide you with this image. But now you guys can see, for now this image is looking kind of dull and it's not sharp at all. So how you can go ahead and enhance that? Again, very easy. You're gonna simply copy this image, paste it in Gemini, and ask it to create this image again, like in a way that the face has more night lighting. Just make it more sharper, and then it's gonna provide you with something like this, which looks absolutely perfect, spot on. And this will make a very good video, a very good motion control video for our Marlon AI edit. Okay, and from here I'm simply gonna go ahead and download this image. Okay, so the next thing is we need to basically motion control this image into a video. So for that, what you can do is you can go to Higgs field and you can go to the video section, select Kling 3.0 motion control. And another thing you can do very easily is you can go inside of Kling AI, like Kling.ai website, and over here need to click on create now. So this would be the homepage where you're gonna land, and then in the search box you have to simply type over here Marlon, press enter, and then you're gonna see so many of the already made templates that you can use. Okay, so out of this, I think this one is looking pretty accurate. I'm gonna click on recreate. Okay, so now I just need to go ahead and just delete this image, and instead of that, we're gonna go ahead and paste the image of Lacey that we just created with Gemini, just like that. Okay, and from here you can select character orientation matches video or image. So obviously we want the video to flow like in the like a reference video. So I'm gonna click on that and then simply click on generate. Okay, so after that, this is how your output is gonna look like. All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create, viral Marlon AI videos with any of your favorite character. Like you can create of your own self as well. So yeah, first of all, you have to create images. That is a really important step. And then basically motion control those images into videos with your reference Marlon AI videos. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.